Welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. Give it a thumbs up or comment below if you wanna see more videos like this. So yeah, let's jump right into the video. Good morning, and today I'm gonna share with you guys what I eat. Say morning. First, I start off with a full glass of warm water and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. It's really good for my digestive system. I do it often. I did overnight oats as my breakfast option. Now it's time for lunch. I'm gonna be doing a turkey burger with tomatoes, and that's it. No cheese, no lettuce, or anything like that. I'm gonna be using my Ezekiel bread. So I just toast my bread. I'm gonna do turkey burger and some tomatoes. And I put mustard on it. For snack, I need a brown paper bag, 1/4 cup of kernel. You just fold the top up a little bit. I set the microwave to popcorn setting. Add your salt to taste. So for dinner, I did some simple baked chicken with a side of brown rice, some green peas, and some corn on the cob. I didn't put corn on the cob on my plate because I don't like corn. Yeah. The only meats that I really eat on a normal basis is chicken and turkey. I do eat fish every once in a while. I haven't eaten any fish lately because I am still nursing. For a bonus snack, which the family love, kale chips. You make sure you rinse off all the dirt and then let it dry. Put on a drying mat. I put a towel on mine, let it dry. I pull the kale off the stem, and then I put it on my baking dish, and I sprinkle it with oil and whatever seasons you want. You can put your season on before, or you can put your season on after. I sometimes put it on before, sometimes after. And you bake them in the oven for 330. Keep an eye on them because sometimes some of them cook faster than the others. And then when you come out, you can, if you want to put your season on it then, you can put your season on it then. I made a batch of it and I left it on the counter to cool. And when I came back, they were all gone. The family loves it. Don't that look so delicious? The way to keep these fresh is you have to keep them in an airtight container. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. So if you guys have any suggestions of what you would like to see on this video, please leave those comments below. I would love to read them and try to explore new options for this channel. And I guess I'll see you guys next week. All right, bye.